Welcome back, guys. It's Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. Teton Ranch, that is the name of the community we're touring today. There's 3 model homes that'll all be up on the channel this week. Definitely a luxury neighborhood, and the draw of this place, just a couple blocks from Daybreak. You get all of those amenities without any to pay. No HOA in this neighborhood, really close to places like Daybreak in a beautiful part of Herriman, right by the school back there. Amazing place. So let's go ahead and get started. Without further ado, this is the Teton Ranches. All right, guys, welcome back once again. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when my videos are up. More new construction inventory videos to come. But in today's video, we are looking at the Richmond American Homes community known as Teton Ranches. This is the Delaney, and it's got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 4,160 square feet. It's a luxury model, and the price range on these homes in the Teton Ranches are in the 1 million plus range, since they have a lot of square footage and they've got great upgrades and everything on the inside, and in a great location as well. If you're interested in these homes, make sure to give me a call or text, and we can talk about getting you into one of these homes. There's only 1 or 2 lots available in their current phase, but they've got a whole other phase that they're going to be releasing here pretty soon. And this is what they can do with your money when it comes to buying a new construction house. So just a reminder, I don't work for any of these builders that I show on my channel. I'm just a Salt Lake Realtor that loves to show off the new construction inventory here in Utah, and would love to help you get the best deal possible, especially as it is a buyer's market right now. I want to help you get the best deal possible and get all of the offers and all of the incentives that they're offering, so that you can get your closing costs bought or your rate bought down, or just do whatever we can to get that monthly payment down as low as possible. So thank you once again for coming. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this tour, and we'll see you at the end of it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching that tour. Man, Richmond American Homes knows what they're doing when it comes to luxury homes. And yeah, this one was pretty amazing out here in the Teton Ranches in Herriman, Utah. So like I said, a few of the draws, these ones will be a little bit more loose on the little changes you can make here and there, which will be more of the aesthetics, like color of cabinets, maybe what color walls you want painted, things like that when it comes to what kind of different changes you can make on these custom homes. But yeah, they're built more like spec homes, and there's not a lot of changes you can make beyond the aesthetics of that. So these are $1 million+ homes, really nice luxury homes, and the draw of them will be proximity to Daybreak. And just being in Herriman, Herriman's really popular. But yeah, being really close to Daybreak, meaning you've got all of the amenities, the parks, and access to those while not having to pay the HOA. There's also no HOA for this community as well. And it just makes it all together, all tied up with a nice bow, a beautiful home, beautiful neighborhood, community, and city to be in. So an amazing home. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to let me know if you're interested in this home, this specific model, or build, or any others built by Richmond, if you're looking to buy, sell, invest, give me a call or text right here, guys. That's what I do here in Utah as a realtor. Don't be afraid to reach out. And then to see more home tours, we still have 2 more models to go through in this neighborhood. Make sure to come back to the channel. If you like, that'll help the algorithm. And then make sure to subscribe as well, so you're not missing my videos. Hit the bell notification and you won't miss when my videos are going live. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, this is Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. We'll see you guys in the next video.